So I got all the old brakes out of the way. Now it is time for the install, the new PowerStop Z36 truck and tow upgrade kit. And if you look at one of the brake pads that we had on their truck, it was time, to say the least, to go ahead and do a little upgrade.
Well,
and this is going to be the perfect way to do it.
It was exactly what you were saying. If the guy's going to be putting these on and selling them to people, he might as well be using them too, right?
Right.
You know, this kit's got everything that you need for all of it. It's got the pads and the rotors and the clips and the lubricant and everything. And let's take a look at the rotors because we talk about this a lot. They're drilled and slotted, right? So they're drilled right there for heat dissipation and slotted so your dust shoots it out. So it keeps the rotor clean.
And it works with the carbon fiber ceramic brake pads. You know, this formula allows you to get extreme duty stopping, which you're going to need, especially when you load down this vehicle, but yet without sacrificing everyday drivability. So it's really the best of both worlds, and it's made specifically for your vehicle or for your combination.
Yeah, it's all OE replacement, OE fit and everything, just made to bolt right back on nice and easy.
Now it's time to bolt it on.
It is. I clean that rotor up as soon as I put it on there. But the last thing you want to do is leave grease or oil on your brand new rotor. Nobody wants to do that. All right, brakes are done. We need to put the wheels and tires back on, drop this thing back down to the ground, and then button up just a few more things that we've got left on this truck.